What if you could hear directly from your future self 1 year on from today? Imagine receiving a letter from the you who has achieved the goals that you've been thinking about. This version of you has grown in your career, overcome challenges, taken bold steps towards what you truly want. How does that version of you think, feel, and act differently than you do today? This activity is more than just writing. It's about turning ideas into reality, strengthening your belief in what's possible, and creating a powerful roadmap for the next 12 months. Ready? Let's bring your vision to life. You're going to write a letter from your future self dated 1 year from today. Here's how it works. Start by dating your letter exactly 1 year from now. Write in the present tense as if everything you're describing is already happening. Keep it positive. Focus on what you have accomplished rather than what you've avoided. To make your letter as real and powerful as possible, use the worksheet which has some prompts on it to help you. Where are you? Are you in the same role? A new one? Have you made a career transition? Who's around you? Are you working with inspiring colleagues, mentors, clients, a new team? What kind of work are you doing? Have you taken on new responsibilities? Started a project that excites you? What have you achieved that makes you proud? What milestones have you hit? How have you grown professionally? How are you feeling? Are you more confident, energized, or fulfilled? And what excites you about your career now? What new skills or experiences have you gained? How have you developed yourself over the last 12 months? Here's a tip. The more detailed you are, the more powerful this exercise becomes. Pause the video now and take some time to write your letter, and when you're finished, come back for the final step. Welcome back. Does your letter pass the test? So how do you know if your letter passes the test? In other words, is it truly setting you up for meaningful growth? Well, the test is to read your letter out loud. Why out loud? Well, it's like trying on your future. Does it feel right? Hearing your words activates your emotions and makes it feel more real. As you read it out, ask yourself this question. Does it make you feel excited? And does it make you feel a little bit uncomfortable too? If the answer is yes to both, you're on the right track. If your letter felt too safe, ask yourself, am I playing too small? What would it look like if I pushed myself a bit further? But if it felt too overwhelming, adjust it. Growth should feel challenging but achievable. Once you've fine-tuned it, keep it somewhere visible. This is not just a writing exercise, it's a blueprint for your next 12 months. Congratulations, you've now completed this activity.